What's up, people? Uli13 here, and today I am going to do an opening of something really awesome. So, let's open it. See what's inside here. And soon I will be making a video of the new Joshi 3DS. Now, what's inside here is something awesome. Let's see. Sorry about that. Can you guys guess what that is? Yes. And look at that. It's a lot of paper in a box. And a lot of rolling. Yes, it is the Pokemon X and Y 3DS XL color red. And now let's open it up. I've been waiting all of last week and almost all of this week for it. And then next week I have to go pick up from GameStop the not Pokemon, the Joshi 3DS XL and the game. So okay, so it comes with the manual, like always, manual, and a Club Nintendo thing, AR cards, and now the 3DS charger and DSi XL charger. Wow, that looks beautiful. I can't wait to see Joshi's. And I think it's supposed to come with a memory card of 4 gigabyte. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, 4 gigabyte SD card. So that's all I got for today. I also got a blue DSi XL yesterday. I got it actually with the game of Black Ops, and a 2 gigabyte memory card for $10. Not a bad, it's not that bad. And yeah, that's all, you guys, and thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions or just would like to leave a comment. And thanks for watching, and Uli13 out.